2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede Commuter from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play All I Want to Do Is Make Love to You, one of my favorite songs by heart. Okay, so let's get to it. This song is fairly simple. We do have a bar chord though. We have a B minor bar chord, so it's not for beginners. Otherwise, we got all these open nice chords. So let's get to it. The song is in G. So that's 2, 3, pinky. Actually, let's play G like this. First, second, 3 on the B string, and pinky on the 3 on the E string. It's this melody that you hear in the background. You don't have to play it, but I like to play it when I do the song, so it goes like. So this could be a little hard, I guess. You want 3, 2 on the E string to 3 on the B string. So that's G, F sharp, G to D. It's a melody in the background that you hear like that. And then when you go to the C, you keep that melody going. Chorus. Or if you just want to play the chorus, just go G. Down, down, up, C. Up, down, up, C. C looks just like the G. You keep these two guys, you just move down the first and second finger to the A and D string. Verse. We want to mute the right hand. Get a B minor here. So bar, second fret from the A string. 4, 4, 3. C major. Let's play this C here. G major. Keep muting. it like this. Put my hand on the bridge. D major there. Then we're gonna open up. G major, E minor, C major, D. Chorus. Second verse. G, B. C. B minor, C. Stuck with a pick. Bridge, D major, E minor, C major, and then it's back to the last verse and then chorus out. Okay, so basically we only have 3 parts of this song. We got the chorus, which is the same as the intro, G, C. And if you want to try that melody, it really makes it beautiful and big. So that's intro and chorus, and then we have verse, G, B minor, C, G, G, B, C, G, D, and then they open up. Last part of the verse: G, E minor, C, and stay on the D. And the bridge, super simple, just D major, E minor, C major, and back to muting. Great. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll be back tomorrow with more cool hits. Be safe. Take it easy.